What if I told you people are making over $30,000 a month just by posting AI-generated videos of Bigfoot? Yes, the legendary hairy creature from the woods. These aren't real videos. They're made entirely by artificial intelligence. It sounds wild, but it's a real trend on TikTok right now. Creators are cashing in with short, cozy, and funny Bigfoot vlogs. You don't need a camera, actors, or even video skills, just an idea and the right AI tools. The secret? A repeatable formula that anyone can use. This isn't about luck or being famous, it's about knowing what people love to watch. And people love these quirky, mysterious stories. AI can turn a simple idea, like Bigfoot making coffee, into a viral video. The best part? This trend is still new, and there's plenty of room for you. Imagine being one of the first creators in this niche, making thousands from a Yeti sipping hot chocolate. The internet is full of surprises, and this is your chance to jump in early. Ready to learn how? I'll walk you through every step. We'll cover idea generation, using AI tools and editing, all on your phone. No special skills or experience needed, just a bit of imagination. This guide is your ticket to the world of AI-powered Bigfoot vlogs. Let's get started and make your first viral video. You could be the next creator everyone's talking about. All you need is a spark of creativity and the willingness to try. The opportunity is wide open, so are you in? Let's dive into the secret formula. Your Bigfoot adventure starts now. Let's go. Why do these videos work so well? It's all about psychology. Humans are wired for stories, especially myths and legends. Bigfoot and the Yeti are our modern-day mysteries. Deep down, we love the idea that something magical could be out there. These vlogs tap into that sense of wonder and comfort. They offer a cozy escape from daily stress, a digital hug for your brain. Watching Bigfoot make pancakes or stroll through the woods is simple, soothing, and oddly satisfying. That's why cozy content is exploding online. People crave a break from the noise, and a gentle giant in the forest is the perfect escape. The formula is simple: myth, comfort, and imagination. That's what keeps viewers coming back for more. That's the real secret to Bigfoot's viral charm. Ready to build your own mythical world? Here's the exciting part. This niche is brand new. It's like stumbling onto a secret beach before the crowds arrive. While TikTok is packed with dance and cooking videos, Bigfoot vlogs are still rare. That means you have a real shot at becoming a leader in AI cryptid content. The audience is hungry for more. Every viral video gets flooded with requests for new episodes. You don't have to fight for attention. You just have to deliver the cozy, mythical stories people crave. Most creators stick to simple daily vlogs. Bigfoot waking up, a Yeti gardening. But almost no one is telling ongoing stories or creating series. That's your opportunity. Start a Bigfoot adventure, introduce new friends, or build a connected world. Viewers will come back every day to see what happens next. This is how you build a loyal community and stand out. The door is wide open, whether you stick to simple vlogs or pioneer bigger stories. But don't wait. This goldmine won't stay secret for long. Start now, and you can grow your channel before the niche gets crowded. The time to act is now. You have a chance to shape this trend from the ground up. Don't let it pass you by. Take the leap and start creating. Your audience is waiting. The next viral cryptid creator could be you. Ready to make your mark? Let's create your first Bigfoot video. Here's how. Let's make your first video, a simple Bigfoot morning vlog. No camera, no editing skills, just you and an AI tool. We'll use Gemini, Google's AI for generating images and videos. Just type what you want to see, and Gemini creates it. Start with a simple idea. Bigfoot wakes up and makes coffee in his cozy forest cabin. Now turn that idea into a detailed prompt for the AI. The more specific, the better. Try a cinematic short video clip. A friendly, fluffy Bigfoot in a rustic log cabin, morning sunlight streaming in, pouring hot coffee into a wooden mug. Hyper-realistic nature documentary style. Hit generate and let the AI work its magic. The first result might not be perfect. Maybe Bigfoot looks odd or the coffee is weird. That's normal. Just tweak your prompt and try again. Adjust details like lighting, mood, or Bigfoot's expression. Keep refining until you get a great-looking shot of Bigfoot enjoying his morning coffee. This is the fun part. Experiment and see what the AI creates. Once you have a clip you love, save it to your phone or computer. You've just made the first building block of your viral vlog. No filming, no actors, just pure creativity and AI. Now let's add a second scene to build your story. You're already halfway to your first Bigfoot video. Ready for the next step? Let's add some action. Got your first clip? Great. Now let's polish it. If it's too dark or Bigfoot looks unfriendly, tweak your prompt. Add words like bright, warm morning light or gentle, smiling Bigfoot. Change camera angles. Try close-up of the coffee mug or shot from a low angle. Use negative prompts to avoid unwanted results. Add not scary, not blurry. Experiment until you get a cinematic, eye-catching clip. Don't be afraid to generate multiple versions. The goal? A beautiful, scroll-stopping video. Once you're happy, save your masterpiece. This is your foundation for a viral vlog. Now let's create a second, more dynamic scene. Ready to keep building your story? Let's go. Every story needs movement. Let's add action. For your second clip, show Bigfoot leaving his cabin for a walk in the misty forest. Use a prompt like, cinematic video, friendly Bigfoot walking through a beautiful misty pine forest, sunbeams breaking through trees, gentle, curious expression, hyper-realistic. Make sure the style matches your first clip for a seamless story. Refine the prompt if needed, add thick morning fog or walking slowly and peacefully. Save the best version. Now you have two clips, Bigfoot's cozy morning and his forest adventure. Together they tell a simple, complete story. This is the structure of a daily vlog, easy, relatable, and engaging. You've created the raw material for your first viral TikTok, and you did it all with AI. Next, let's stitch them together. Editing is easier than you think. Ready to make your video shine? Let's edit. Time to bring your clips together using CapCut, the go-to free editing app. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import your two Bigfoot clips. Arrange them in order: coffee scene first, then the forest walk. Drag and drop to adjust the sequence. Preview your video to make sure the story flows. That's it. The basics are done. Now let's add a touch of magic. If you're enjoying this guide, share it with a friend and comment your Bigfoot ideas below. Sharing helps more creators discover this trend. Back to editing, your story is set. Next, let's make it look and sound cinematic. Ready for the finishing touches? Let's add sound and style. Here's how. Let's make your video pop with a few pro touches. First, add sound. Search CapCut's library for peaceful forest sounds or gentle morning music. Choose a track that matches your cozy vibe and add it to your timeline. Next, add a title. Bigfoot's morning routine or a quiet morning in the woods. Place the text at the start. Pick a font and color that fits your style. Now color grade your clips for a cinematic look. In CapCut, use the Adjust tool. Tweak brightness, contrast, and saturation. Make both clips match for a seamless feel. A little adjustment goes a long way. When you're happy, export your video in high quality, 1080p. CapCut will save it to your phone, ready for TikTok. That's it. You've made your first AI-powered Bigfoot vlog. You're ready to share it with the world. Upload, watch the reactions, and start building your audience. You've just unlocked a new creative superpower. The next viral hit could be yours. Keep experimenting and refining your style. The more you create, the better you'll get. Ready to join the community of AI creators? You've got the roadmap, now it's time to create. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Start with your first video, then make another. The more you create, the more you'll grow. Imagine a whole series, a Yeti chef, a Bigfoot artist. The possibilities are endless. This isn't just a hobby, it's a real chance to build a following and earn income. People want creative, positive content, and you can deliver it. Take the first step, open Gemini, and brainstorm your cryptid vlog. Want to go further? Join our private creator community. Get exclusive prompts, advanced editing tips, and personal feedback. Connect with other creators, share wins, and stay ahead of trends. It's the shortcut to turning your passion into a business. Click the link in the description to join us. Let's build something amazing together. Your Bigfoot journey starts now. See you inside.